Welcome to this channel once again. Today we will discuss about Indian islands. In India, the total number of major islands are 615. If we divide those islands into two groups, then we will easily get two subdivisions. First one is Bay of Bengal island groups and the second one is Arabian Sea island group. Only in the Bay of Bengal, the total number of islands are 572. Within this 572 total islands, 36 are inhabited. And if we consider the Arabian Sea, then the total number of islands here are 43. Within this 43, only 11 are inhabited. Now, what is the meaning of inhabited? A place where any person can live. Now, the Bay of Bengal island group, simply known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Arabian Sea island groups mainly include Lakshadweep and Minicoy Islands. Now, just have a look here in this map. Here in the eastern part of our Indian mainland, all of you can see here, that is the location of Bay of Bengal. In this Bay of Bengal, here we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And in the western part of our Indian mainland, we are having Arabian Sea. In this Arabian Sea region, we are having Lakshadweep and Minicoy Islands. First one is the Bay of Bengal island groups, that means Andaman and Nicobar island groups, situated between 6 to 14 degree north latitude and 92 to 94 degree east longitude. This region is specifically having warm tropical climate. Consider this whole circle as our Earth. This is the middlemost latitudinal line, 0 degree or equator. With the help of this equatorial line, the whole Earth is subdivided into two parts. The northern part is known as Northern Hemisphere. The southern part is known as Southern Hemisphere. In the Northern Hemisphere, we are having another important line, latitudinal line, that is 23.5 north line, that is Tropic of Cancer. In the south, we are having the same line, that is Tropic of Capricorn. Within this two line, the whole region is simply known as tropical region. For further clarification about latitude and longitudes, all of you can check out my previous video. We have already discussed it. Now, this Andaman and Nicobar Islands are originated due to different kind of tectonic and volcanic process. If we subdivide this whole island, then we will easily get the northern part as Andaman and the southern part as Nicobar Island. Here we have the subdivision of Andaman Island. Here we get two important subdivision or major subdivision. First one is Great Andaman, second one is Little Andaman. We can further subdivide this Great Andaman into three parts. The northern part is North Andaman, middle part is Middle Andaman and southern part is Southern Andaman or South Andaman. Port Blair, the capital of Andaman, situated in South Andaman. Next is the Nicobar as the southern part of this Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Here we have the subdivision of this Nicobar Island. In the northern part we have Car Nicobar, in the middle part we have Little Nicobar and in the southern part we have Great Nicobar Island. Next we have some important dividers here. First one is Duncan Passage, which separates Great or South Andaman and Little Andaman. Here it is, that is the location of Duncan Passage. It separates Great Andaman or South Andaman and Little Andaman. Next one is the 10-degree channel, which separate Andaman and Nicobar Islands from each other. Here, that is the location of 10-degree channel, which separates Nicobar Island and Andaman Island. Next, we have some special facts about this island. This island is the continuation of Arakan-Boma mountain range situated in Myanmar. For greater clarification, just have a look here in this map. Here, all of you can see this is the location of Myanmar. We can also say it as Burma. Here we are having Arakan-Boma mountain range. The Andaman and Nicobar Island is the extension or continuation of this mountain range. Some important volcanoes of this region are Narcondam. This is a dormant volcano. Here, this is the location of this island. Again, we are having one active volcano here. The name is Barren Island. Here all of you can see this is the location of this island. Rice and coconut are some important crops here. Some important tribes of this region are Onges, Jarvas and Sentinelese. Rarest crab, giant robber crab found in Wondur Marine Biosphere Reserve, which is situated in South Andaman and Great Nicobar Islands. Here all of you can see this is the location of Wondur Marine Biosphere Reserve, which is situated in southern part of Andaman. Also, we can find this giant robber crab in Great Nicobar Islands. The highest peak of this island is the Saddle Peak, which is situated in northern part of Andaman. Here, this is the location of this Saddle Peak, situated in the northern side of Andaman. We will discuss about Arabian Sea island groups. This island is situated in between 8 degree to 12 degree north latitude and 71 to 74 degree east longitude. This region is originated due to coral deposition and having tropical climate. Why tropical climate? We have already discussed it for Andaman and Nicobar Island. Just relate the same thing here also. Some important islands under this island group are Amindivi as the northernmost part. After that we are having Lakshadweep, and as the southernmost part we are having Minicoy. Minicoy is the largest island within all this island group, lies to the south of the 9 degree channel. Just have a look here in this map. Here all of you can see this is the location of 9 degree channel, and in the southern part of this 9 degree channel we are having this Minicoy island. Before 1st November 1973 there were 3 separate islands named Lakshadweep, Amindivi and Minicoy. But after that date, still today, these 3 separate islands are known as Lakshadweep. Okay. This Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. Now we are having some important dividers. First one, we are having 9 degree channel. With the help of this 9 degree channel, Minicoy is separated from rest of Lakshadweep island. Here, this is the 9 degree channel. With the help of this, Minicoy and rest of the Lakshadweep island are separated from each other. In the southern part of this Minicoy island, we are having Maldives. With the help of 8 degree channel, the Maldives and the Lakshadweep group of islands are separated from each other. Next, we will discuss about some another important islands of India. First one, we are having Sriharikota Island, which is a barrier island. But what is the meaning of that? It is a long narrow island which is parallel to the mainland area, specifically formed by the action of waves, currents and wind. Just have a look here in this picture for greater clarification. This is the Sriharikota Island, a long narrow island which is totally parallel to the mainland area. Here it is. Okay, that's why this island is known as a barrier island. This island is located in between Pulicat Lake and Bay of Bengal in the Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. This island is one of the important satellite launching station of ISRO. What is the full form of this? Indian Space Research Organization. Next is the Pamban Island, located in between India and Sri Lanka in the Gulf of Mannar. Here we are having Gulf of Mannar. In this Gulf of Mannar, in between India and Sri Lankan mainland, we are having this Pamban Island. It is situated in the district of Ramanathapuram in the state of Tamil Nadu. This Pamban Island is also known as Rameshwaram Island. Another important island of Indian mainland was New Murray Island. It was also known as Purvasha Island. It was the bone of connection between India and Bangladesh. In 2010, there was a report of submergence of this island by rising seawater due to global warming. Now, for greater clarification, just have a look here in this map. Here, all of you can see this one was New Murray Island. Here we are having the parts of Indian subcontinent, and here we are having the parts of Bangladesh. So, this island was the bone of connection between these two regions, that means India and Bangladesh. Next one we are having Abdul Kalam Island. This one is also known as Wheeler Island, situated near the Odisha coast, renamed by Abdul Kalam Island in 2015. That means previously this island was known as Wheeler Island, but after 2015 it was renamed by Abdul Kalam Island. It is a missile launching station in the Bay of Bengal. First successful land-to-land test of the Prithvi missile was also done from here. See the location of this island here, near the Odisha coast. Here we are having Vitarkanika National Park situated in Odisha. From this we can easily relate the location of this island near Odisha coast. Majuli Island, situated in the state of Assam. It is a river island along the river Brahmaputra. It is the world's largest freshwater river island and India's first island district. All of you can see here the location of this Majuli Island along Brahmaputra river. Okay, thank you for watching.